Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So first of all I want to say a massive thank you to everyone that sent me something across. I've got quite a few unboxings to do and I'm going to try and get through them as quick as I can over the course of the next few weeks. For those of you that have heard me talk about it in previous videos, my day job gets very busy this time of year and I work minimum 12-hour days, 6 days a week. So I'm finding it hard to make time to film videos. But I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone that sent something across. I've got a package here from Silversins. He said this is a Christmas present, which is very generous of him. Really nice big parcel, so I'm excited to see what's inside there. I've also got a letter. This is all the way from Japan, from Jamie Frost, so thank you very much. It says to 365 Days of Silver and APM. So very interested to see what is inside here. I've also got something that I picked up from Valui. And this is what we're going to be unboxing in today's video. And last but not least, I have a parcel, something that I brought from Backyard Bullion. Now, for those of you that have watched his recent videos, you might be able to work out what this is from the shape of it. Do let me know in the comment section your guesses. But extremely excited to have a look at this in the hand. And as soon as I saw him showcase this on his channel, I reached out to him straight away and asked if he was looking to part with it. And if he was, I'd be interested in buying it. And he actually sold it to me. So yeah, this will be unboxed in the next couple of days as well. But like I said, today's video, we're going to be unboxing this. I'm just going to grab a knife. Where is a knife? Here we go. And we're going to get straight into it. Now, this is something that I've not seen done before with poured silver. It's a new product that Valui have recently started advertising on their website. And as soon as I saw it, I had to pick one up. The piece that I've gone for is slightly personalised from the piece that they have for sale on their website. But like I said, it's something that's not been done before in poured silver. Not that I've seen before anyway, so it's really innovative. It's a very cool piece. So let's just slide it out. Very nicely packaged. I think what we're going to have to do is go down the side of here as well. I think it's secured on the inside as well. Look at this, extremely nicely wrapped. Yeah, and I was right, they've actually secured it down on here as well. So really nicely wrapped, as is everything you order from Valui. Wow, look at this. Look at this. This already looks incredible just from the presentation box that it's arrived in. Get all this out of the way, get the knife out of the way, and let's show you what we have here. This is, I believe it's tin, and they've laser engraved Valui silver on there. Wow, and look, when you turn it round, it says Valui Silver, the everlasting charm of silver, valuisilver.co.uk, and I'm guessing that QR code takes you straight to their website. So pause the video and give that a scan if you haven't yet checked out their website. But already I can tell this is going to look absolutely incredible in the hand. And let's slide it open to reveal the piece. Wow, look at that. Absolutely incredible. We haven't even got to the piece inside yet, and the presentation is outstanding. You've got a V there for Valui, and you've got a little sneak peek of what is behind this foam layer. So let's remove this layer. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. Now I believe this weighs around 2 ounces. It says Valui Silver Bank, and it's made to look like a banknote. Now I asked for them to put $365 on there, and they've done $365. But that is absolutely incredible. Now the part of this that is the part that I haven't seen done before on a poured silver piece is on the reverse of this bar. So if we tip it out and we flip it around, wow, this is absolutely incredible. Now, like I said, I believe this weighs around about 2 ounces. So it feels really nice in the hand. You can see it's got a really nice thickness to it. Really nicely finished. On this side it says for Louis Silver Bank again. And it says $365. And it also says fine silver. Now if I draw your attention over here, you can see it says genuine guarantee original. And it's like a bit of a hologram. It looks like a sticker. Now, I borrowed Mrs. 365's phone to be able to try and showcase this. And if we hold the top of the phone over that hologram sticker, you can see it pops up there saying NFC tag. And if we click on here, it takes us to a digital COA. Look at that. So it's actually not just a holographic sticker, it's actually an NFC chip built into this bar. And you can see it's taken us straight to the digital COA on Louis' website. You can see the serial number at the top there is VB074. Certificate of Authenticity, Louis Silver, 365 bullion banknote. And if we scroll down, it tells you the security tag number, the NFC serial number. It's a limited edition 1 of 1. It's made by Louis, 3/9's fine, and there we go. Yep, 2 troy ounces, mintage 1. It tells you the size and everything on there as well. So what an incredible touch. And like I said, correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section below, but this is a first. This is not something I've seen done before on a poured silver piece. I've seen pressed bars. There was a pressed bar that I a few months ago now, did a trade with World Money Wins. A pressed piece from a proper mint that has an NFC chip built into it. But I've not yet seen this be done by a small independent pouring company. So absolutely incredible. Hats off to Louis. They're always thinking outside the box. They're always trying to innovate and bring something new to the community. And I think this piece is absolutely incredible. Just without the NFC tag that's built into it, it already is an absolutely stunning bar. The presentation is second to none. There's another chip underneath there with the serial number on it. And the way it's all cut out perfectly to fit in the foam in the box just adds to the prestigious feel of this piece. Look at that. What an absolutely stunning presentation. Really, really chuffed with this piece. For Louis, absolutely incredible job here. Really, really nice. This company, like I said, is always thinking of new and cool things to do. And they have absolutely smashed it with this piece. Really, really cool. Let me know in the comment section if you've seen a bar like this before. Absolutely incredible. The finish on this is amazing. It feels so smooth in the hand. Really, really chuffed with this piece. So thank you very, very much for Louis for producing this piece. Thank you very much for personalising it as well. 365 on there. Absolutely stunning piece. Now I believe these are available on Louis' website. This actual piece isn't going to be available. This is a 1 of 1 piece. But if there is something that you would like done to your bar, a personalization or something a little bit different from the things that you see on their website, don't be afraid to reach out. The best way of reaching out to Louis Silver is through Stacker Social. They're very, very active in Stacker Social. So I'm sure if you reach out to them, they'll be happy to come up with something a little bit special for you. But on their website, they have got some absolutely stunning pieces. So do go and check their website out. And I've just noticed something that I almost missed. On the underside of this lid, there is actually a COA as well. Look at that. A COA, limited edition 365 banknote. and you've got all the same details on there that the digital COA pulled up. And I believe this QR code here takes you to the digital one as well. It's another way of going to that digital COA. So absolutely incredible, absolutely stunning piece. A bit lost for words really, because there's so many things going on with this piece in terms of presentation, the NFC chip, just absolutely stunning. Really, really nice. Really, really pleased with this. So yeah, thank you very much for Louis for producing such a stunning bar. Thank you very much to everyone that's watched today's video. I will leave a link to Louis' website in today's video description. Please head over, show them some love, have a little look at their products. And as always, I want to say a massive thank you for supporting my channel, for liking, sharing, and being a subscriber. And I hope you all have a very nice day.